how to also create folders. So I'm just making this video so that I can able to help some of you. It's gonna be a short video for sure, but you need to watch to create a folder. We need to start now. Right click, then from there we have a folder. Let's call it My Wealth. So imagine now if I want to change this. So I right click, so if I right click, sometimes it's open because I double click. So to change it, if I want to do it, I can just right click on it. Still now, let's try. My computer is somehow a bit slow, but it shouldn't be slow like this. You go to show more. Now from there we will see rename. Then we can rename it to well. But if I click backspace, everything will be deleted. But I don't want to do that. Now just click on wealth in the middle of any word so that I can change it word to will. So this is how we create this one. Now to open, we double click. Okay, you double click or you right click and see open. Thank you. We have open. Now the next thing we're going to learn is how to create a file. So creating a file is the most important thing also. So to create a file, let's make it bigger so that we can see what we are doing. Now this one also, we just right click from the empty screen. Then after we right click, we go to new. From there we choose Microsoft Word. Alright, now we can just say I have learned how to type. Right. Alright, done. This is how we create a file. So it's very important to learn this. I just make the video short so that you can be able to know how to create a file. Now to open Microsoft Word is very easy also. You either double click or you right click and then press open, then you can be able to see. My computer is a bit slow because of there are a lot of things inside it, so that is the reason. You see, open is here, then we click open, boom. So this is how we create folder and files, and then open folder and also file. So if you look at now, here we are. So now we have master how to create a file and how to create a folder. Yeah, there we are. So from here you can type anything you want. So now I have master. I have master typing. Oh, let's say creating. Whatever you want, you can able to type it in the Microsoft Word. So this is the end. Inshallah, I'll keep on making just some more videos, so that I can able to help. Bye.